the best place to farm all the way. You see that? My bad that I can't like do it on PlayStation because the PlayStation isn't working with YouTube. So I'm finna show y'all. I've been playing on Assistant. Don't judge me. I didn't do the hardest mode. See, look, I'm almost done with this. And now after I complete this, I should be able to get that rocket launcher. Let's go. I hate those hunters. That's the main thing in the whole game. Yeah, I beat the game if you didn't know. No point saying spoiler because you already seen this, probably. If you're still watching. Dang it. Give me a pistol first. Pop goes the weasel. And if you want to know how to do this, you gotta do it like right when they start attacking. I gotta show you. See? Yeah, like that. That's how you do Carlos's thing. I kind of like Joe better, I think. I don't know. I'm gonna be farming him for a while. Let's see how long this actually takes me. Heal real quick. I did this plenty of times. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna start busting with this ugly. Sit down, kid. How? Oh shit, it's time for me to deal with a hunter. I think I just wasted it. Yep. Sit down, kid. I swear, if that zombie falls down, you faggot. You're a faggot too. I'm not going no more games with y'all. I'm gonna try hard. Let's go. Never mind. So let me see how far I am with this now. Cause I'm 100% stopping. Okay, 171. Almost done. You can shoot them before they get into the room, they're just gonna automatically die. This is the best way to farm. Run up on me again and see what happens. I ain't playing with you. Flamingo videos are super short though. No! No, 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 no. Leave me alone, leave me alone. I hate you, I hate you, I hate you. You're the worst. I hate you more than liquors. Promise you that. I promise you that. Time to strong grenades. Bye. Record. Let me see how far I am now. Oh, I'm very close. So I know ammo. Oh, I still got ammo. Oh, what do you know? More ammo. And what do you know? I'm about to get big because this game is getting on my nerves now. You just looking at me. I seen that. Not aim, bro. Let me turn off aim assistant. Just so you can see how good my aim is. Off. This how good my aim is. I did not miss no shot. Grenade incoming, yeah. What the f? This game is gay. Just kidding. Just kidding. Just kidding. No, bro. I don't know what y'all gay movies. Yeah, I did it, guys. Quit. Let's see if I get this rocket launcher. Shall we? No, that's my little baby sister crying, by the way. Bonus. Shop. Yes! The rocket launcher. Yes! Yeah, now I am OP. You know what I'm about to do? I'm gonna start this on standard. Just watch and learn. Well, I'll see y'all in another video. Peace out.